Mandy with PetSafe, and I'm here today to share with you some great training tips and advice on how to use the automatic ball launcher. And with me I have Michelle Mullins, our in-house certified professional dog trainer.
With the automatic ball launcher turned off, allow your dog to approach the launcher and explore it. Start by practicing some things your dog already knows, like sit or lay down. Begin at a distance and gradually move closer as long as your dog is comfortable. If your dog is relaxed while training and playing near the automatic ball launcher, you can start getting him used to the sounds it makes when it launches the ball. Again, start at a distance and watch his reaction when the launcher beeps and launches the ball. Move closer only when he is relaxed and doesn't seem concerned about the noises.
Because of the safety feature of the motion sensor on the automatic ball launcher, you'll want to teach your dog to stand to the side of the launcher before you begin.
In order to do so, take your tasty treats and stand with your dog in the position you'd like them to start in. Once the ball launches, you can encourage them to begin the chase.
You can even train your dog to return the ball to the launcher themselves and drop it in.
Teach your dog to drop the ball by trading him a tasty treat for each time he drops the ball. Place your hand underneath his mouth so the ball drops into your hand. Then begin placing your hand over the hopper to encourage your dog to drop the ball directly into the hopper. Fade out the use of the treats and your hand once your dog is consistently hitting the hopper. This will take a few training sessions.
The automatic ball launcher has 9 distance settings and 6 angle settings. Right out of the box, it'll be set at the very lowest setting. There are multiple safety sensors to keep you and your pet safe, such as the motion sensor on the front of the launcher, the ball detection sensor in the launch pocket, and the 15-minute rest feature to keep your pet from overworking themselves. You can use the ball launcher with the included power adapter, or you can use 6D batteries to take it on the road. And it also has this portable handle in case you want to carry it with you to the park.
Thank you for watching our training tips video. We hope it will help you and your dog get the most out of playing with the automatic ball launcher.